Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to view CPU temperature on Windows 10 taskbar. Type hwinfor.com/download in browser search bar. Click download. Open downloaded file. Click next to continue. Click finish. Click settings. Check show sensors on startup. Check minimize main window on startup. Check minimize sensors on startup. Check auto start. Click OK. Click run. Click sensors. Right-click CPU package, click Add to Tray. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.